The Samsung Galaxy A56 is anticipated to launch in March 2025, following the release pattern of its predecessors. This mid-range smartphone is expected to feature a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Under the hood, it will likely be powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1580 processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, expandable via microSD. For photography enthusiasts, the Galaxy A56 is rumored to sport a triple rear camera setup, including a 64MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens, along with a 32MP front-facing camera for high-quality selfies. Additionally, it is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging, ensuring prolonged usage with minimal downtime. The device will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7.0, offering an updated and user-friendly interface. Pricing is projected to start around €500, positioning it competitively within the mid-range smartphone market.